Hi everyone, this is Alex from Design and Adorn, and I want to talk to you today about nesting end caps. So a nested end cap is something where part of the end cap gets hidden within the inside of the other part. So let me demonstrate. So this right here, there's actually two pieces. It doesn't break in the middle. What I actually use is I use a pair of pliers here. I insert it and then I kind of push out to give it some like friction. And when I pull, ta-da, there's a hidden component within the end cap, and it's magnetic, so it'll just slide right back in. Do-do-do-do. What's really nice about this type of end cap is that when you use it for any type of project, it won't easily kind of like break apart and get caught and disassemble. So it's nice and secure in terms of a closure. Now, if you buy these individually, we've already done the hard part sometimes for you. We've separated the inner component from the rest, but we now have them as a 10-pack, and they are all together, so we haven't separated them out. So you just need to take a pair, like I said, take a pair of pliers or something to just get a little bit of friction so you can pull the inside out. And of course, when you go to glue this on, you want to make sure to separate the two and have them dry separately so that way they don't get glued into one solid piece. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Check out more fun end caps. These are available online, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.